I made an organic pure coconut oil at home and I'm so happy to be sharing with you today. Hello my lovely, welcome back to my kitchen. This is Osua and it is such a pleasure coming your way. And if today is your first time visiting, I hope you consider to join us by subscribing with your bell activated. And to my returning subscribers, I am grateful. Thank you. Come along and let's make this. With the coconut now removed from the shell, go ahead and use a potato peeler and scrape all the brown skin off. That gives the pure white color. So here I'm going to just go ahead and chop them into smaller pieces so that it is easier to blend. Add water to your blender and give it a good blend so that you'll be able to extract as much milk from it as possible. After that has been done, my lovely, get yourself a cheesecloth and strain it very well. So you want to squeeze this very well until you've got all the milk out, separating the coconut flesh from the liquid. Next, I'm going to be combining all my extracted milk. I used 4 coconuts to achieve this much liquid. So the next thing we are going to do is to set this aside for about 30 to 40 minutes until the water has settled at the bottom, leaving the thick, rich, nice cream on top. You want to go in there gently and scoop as much as you can in a separate bowl. Whatever is left is not going to waste at all. Yes, this liquid, this coconut water, can be used to make your coconut rice, your awache, or even jollof rice, so set it aside. Look at how nice and creamy this milk is. Next, we will be setting it aside for this to ferment. You see these small bubbles? These are live cultures. It is fermented and it's going to give it that familiar coconut smell. If you want it stronger, leave it for even longer. And it is why coconut oil is so healthy as well. I'll put this in the fridge for the cream on top to harden up. The water has separated from the cream and it should be quite firm to touch. Now you want to go in there and remove the curd and the cream and leave the water behind. And if you are still here, thank you so very much. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video, and if you are new to the channel, you are so very much welcome. Be sure to subscribe with your bell activated. And so my darling, once you've separated the cream from the water, you want to go in there and separate them into smaller chunks, just like so. And the next thing we need at this stage is the sun. Couldn't believe my luck that day. It was sunny. Yes, I was so excited. So I went ahead and covered this with some plastic and placed it outside until all the oil in the cream has melted. It was quite sunny that day, so I took an advantage and sat outside as well for about 45 to 1 hour, enjoying the sun whilst waiting for the cream to melt. So coming back, you want to take your plastic away, and now we have 3 layers. The water is at the bottom with the curd and cream in the middle and the oil on top. But mind you, you will still find some cream settled on the top of the oil. This is when you have to be gentle and scoop all these away from it, leaving you with the oil on top. Now friends, we are going to put this back in the fridge for the coconut oil to solidify, leaving all the water behind. This was in the fridge for about 40 minutes. I went in with a fork and lifted it up. So at this stage, if you turn it over, you will find the curd attached to the oil. So you want to go in with a knife and scrape it all off, leaving you with the pure coconut oil. I must say, making coconut oil is quite a process. It needs time and patience, but once done, you would be so happy you did. At this stage, we just break them into a bowl and then use your fork to mash it up. Just take a look at how pure and clean this coconut oil is, made in the comfort of your own home. The smell is divine. You will cherish this pure goodness. You would be so proud if you give this a go, and when it's melted, same goodness. I hope you do appreciate all this process involved in making this. Give this video a thumbs up, share if you can, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.